Oh, it's so pretty out. Yeah, that's your leash. Was that or a hoodie? Yeah, was that or a hoodie? It's like, we had fun walking around the yard. Now you're just gonna beat up your leash, huh? No, you're just gonna beat up your leash? Are you? Are you just gonna beat up your leash? Yeah? So nice outside. Get some fresh air. Gosh, it's gotta be in the 60s, almost 70s out here. What do you think, Lewis? Yeah? Oh, feels so good. Can't wait till things start to get green. Right? Yup. Safety. It's all about safety, Lewis.